Hi, I'm Alistair Comas. I'm the Principal Engineer for Ground Transportation and Design here at Composites Innovation Centre. The CIC has a wealth of experience in terms of design engineering of composite materials. We've worked on projects that range from amusement park rides to mass transit application systems.
My name is Jerry Sande. I'm CEO of Sande Curling Innovations. Our aim is to help curlers play better and to enjoy the sport more.
Jerry and Jennifer Sande had determined that there was an issue with current curling brooms.
Well, we started with an idea that we generated out of our experiences coaching and curling.
When people are sweeping on their brush stroke backwards, the pressure ends up reducing than when they're pushing on it forward.
As Jennifer and I brought in some homemade prototypes that were essentially just bent aluminum tubes that my daughter bent for us in her curling shop.
Now this tube wasn't going to be very comfortable, it certainly wasn't light enough, so we then worked with them to take that concept and move it all the way through to the final product. And this took a variety of steps where we initially did a computer model of the handles.
And so we experimented with different configurations of handles.
We ended up using extensively our shop to produce prototypes that we could give to professional curlers for them to test out. We then scanned that final handle and ended up putting it into our computer so we could run a number of analysis iterations on it, in which we determined what was the proper layup for it. And after that was completed, we were actually able to build a full prototype of it, and we tested it in our shop all the way to destruction to make sure it was going to be strong enough so that people wouldn't fall down when they're on the ice.
But because of the strength and the lightness of the carbon fiber brush, we were able to help sweepers improve their sweeping power by 30 to 50%. We found that sweepers became less fatigued over the course of the game using this new brush.
We bring them in for design reviews throughout the design process so they can provide feedback and we can learn from them what they like or didn't like.
They bring immense knowledge of design and materials, but I think that we were most impressed with their enthusiasm for the project and their dedication and hard work.
And we also tie them into the rest of our experts within the CIC. So not only are we dealing directly with the design, but we're also talking to our testing engineers, our manufacturing engineers, as well as different types of experts in different materials, whether or not that's aerospace and carbon fiber, or our product innovation group and biomaterials.
We had an ergonomic analysis done of this new design, and it confirmed that this design significantly reduces curlers' susceptibility to injuries to their wrists, their elbows, and their backs.
I think the key thing that the CIC team brings is a very in-depth knowledge of composite materials.
Well, I don't think we would have been able to complete this project without the help of the folks at CIC.
One of the challenges with composite materials is that you're actually designing the material properties, and that's tied in directly with the manufacturing. And so that's an area where we bring in expertise on the design for manufacturing of composite materials, which is critical to making a successful part.
We now have a brush that is on the retail market. This new brush has generated considerable interest among curlers all over the world, from Kazakhstan to California.
If you have an idea and you would like some help, we'd welcome the opportunity to work with you.